Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Rico Refrigerator 254. Welcome to my channel once more. In this channel, we deal with the repair of all electrical appliances. We are based in Nairobi, Kenya, capital city, Nairobi, Kenya. We are come again with this channel. Thank you for those who have subscribed, my returning subscribers. I say thank you. Those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share so that it can reach many people. Like, put your comment down below and share. This is Enrico Refrigerator 254. I'm here at my workshop. This is a workshop. Today we'd like to teach you more about whatever I'm doing. I, as a technician, we deal with so many things. We deal with the repair of all electrical appliances. We repair microwave. We repair washing machine. We repair dishwashers. We repair fridges, freezers. We repair all kind of machines. We also install air conditioner. We have installed so many air conditioner machines in various places. We have installed air conditioner in Mombasa. We have installed air conditioner machines in Kampala, Uganda. We have installed air conditioner machines in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. We have worked in so many places. So in this channel of today, I want to show you so many things which you as customers can fix by yourself in case you see your item. Let's start with the fridge. In fridges, the major challenges we meet is whereby your fridge is not cooling properly. Another challenge you meet in fridges is whereby your fridge is not working completely. There's no power. It's not powering. It just stopped like that. It's not working properly. Another challenge we meet with the fridges is whereby the freeze, this is two double door fridge, whereby the freezer side is working but the lower side is not working. The lower side of the fridge is not working. No cold at all. The lower compartment. Also, I will show you what to do in case of such a situation. We are still in fridges. Another thing we also encounter is whereby your fridge is running continuously. You see, fridge will be stopping at some point, then restart again. At the stage where the fridge stops, we call it is on a, we call it that the fridge is defrosting. That stage of stopping, it's called defrost stage, whereby fridge normally stop for some times, then we pick again. Stop, then pick again. That is the normal situation how fridge should work. But when you find that your fridge is not running continuous, then there must be a problem. And in such cases, you find that the power consumption becomes too high. Because your fridge will be consuming a lot of power. So today let's start by discussing fridges. Our today time, let's dedicate it to fridges because we have so many items which we are going to talk about, but today let's give it to fridges. So our first problem we are going to tackle is when the freezer side, there's only cold on the freezer side. Things are freezing as normal, but in the fridge, the lower compartment, there's no cold at all. You see, the double door fridges, sometimes you find the bottom side is where you find the freezer. That is on especially the brand, this Harrison brand. You find that they put the freezer side at the lower and the bottom, then the upper side is when you get where the fridge is. But with normal fridges, the double door fridges, you found that the lower compartment is fridge, then the upper compartment is freezer. So when you find that the freezer side is working okay, but the fridge is not working, what we normally check is the settings. You find that at the freezer side there's setting, there's control, temperature control. They are numbered from 1 to 9. Some are numbered from 1 to 7. And also the lower compartment where the fridge is, there is thermostat. So if you find that on the fridge side, that where it is marked from 1 to 9, and then they put normal at 4, sometimes they put normal at 5. So you find that people may wrongly set that temperature control. Sometimes you find that they put it at 9. So when you put it at 9, already you have closed the gap, that the airflow gap that take the cold to the lower compartment. You may close it and you don't know. So that so in such cases you find that cold will only concentrate on the freezer compartment. So in such cases, when you find that you have the fridge, only the upper compartment is working, so what you'll do, you'll check the settings. Both the thermostats and the temperature controls should be at the center, the medium. We call it the normal. Some fridges it is written normal. That is where the setting should be all the time. When you find that your setting is okay, but still lower compartment not cooling, in some fridges you will find that the lower compartment, there's water dripping out from the lower compartment. By that you find that we normally find that fridge has got defrost problem. What do I mean by defrost problem? Defrost problem is whereby the defrost components, it might be all the defrost components, or one might not be working. What I mean by defrost components Defrost components are such like timer for fridges that uses timer. You see, there are fridges that use a timer, and there are fridges that use the card motherboard, control panel motherboard. So with the fridges that uses timer, we found that sometimes timer is not working properly, or we found that sometimes the sensor, it has got different sensors are not working, or we found that sometimes the heaters are not working, they are faulty heaters. Or we found that sometimes the fan that circulate cold, the fans are not working. The evaporator fan is not working. So when we come, we normally check the fan. If the fan is working, the evaporator fan motor is working. We normally check the sensor. If the sensors are okay, we normally check the timer, and we check also the heaters. Then there's something in that process, when there is a lot of cold, the cold is only concentrating on the upper compartment and not the lower compartment. You find that the draining system will clog with ice. So what we normally do after we have checked all the different components, after we have checked we'll also use hot water to open up the draining systems. The draining systems might be clogged with food particles. Not only the ice can clog the drainage system, even the food particles. We found the food particle clogging the drainage system. So we also check that. But majorly what we find that the customers set it wrongly. The setting is very wrong. That is what brings about the problem. So that is those are the problems concerning the fridge when it has got defrost problem. That is when the only the freezer side is working. Okay, that one is there. So next time we'll discuss another problem, that is when fridge is not working completely. There's no powering, no everything is not working. That is on our next video. We shall discuss that. So to add on top of what we have discussed, when customer call us, we normally come to your place. We diagnose the system and we check. We will tell you what the problem is. We negotiate the repair services. Then we will repair your item at your doorstep. Your machine will be repaired at your doorstep at affordable cost. We don't charge more to our customers. Also, we give guarantee to each and every item we repair. We give guarantee for our jobs. So for those who want to contact us, please call us on 0721 598925. We are based in Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. We work everywhere. We work in every place in Kenya. We can come to every part of Kenya, so long as you cater for the cost of transport and accommodations. We'll come to your place, check your item, we fix it at your doorstep. please call us. We are available for you. We are available 24/7 for you. Please contact us. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, it is called Erico Refugee 254. Please subscribe, put a comment below, share our channel, press the like button, share. Next video we are going to discuss when your fridge is not working completely, nothing is going on, so that we can enlighten you on what should be done. We can enlighten you on what should be done, so that because we find that sometimes customers pack their fridge with food, and we find that those food will get spoiled. Customer really goes at a loss, because force immoral just to throw away food after it has gotten bad. Food, all it is gotten bad because the fridge is not working properly. Sometimes we can avoid all these losses. We can avoid them, because sometimes fridge has got minor problem. When you contact us, we'll discuss, we'll tell you where the problem is. Sometimes when customer call us and explain to us where the problem is, we found that there are some problems we just normally solve instantly. We just tell them do this and this and this, and they solve the problem by themselves. So please contact us. Our number, we'll place it, we'll pin our number at the comment section. Our number is 0721 598925. Please call us. Call our company. Our company is called Erico Refugee and Electrical Services. Our YouTube channel is called Erico Refugee 254. Please call us. Let us help each other and develop Kenya. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Promote my channel, please. I beg. Subscribe, promote my channel. Let us grow together. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye.